Here's a comprehensive overview of the extraction of cobalt from cobalt sulfate, TEX CoSO4 via electrowinning, using sulfuric acid for leaching and boric acid as an additive, along with a cathode made from a mixture of silicon carbide (SiC) and silicon coatings and a graphite anode. Start 1. Leaching process. A. Preparation of the leaching solution. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. Prepare a concentrated sulfuric acid solution 1 to 3 m for leaching cobalt from the ore. Sulfuric acid reacts with cobalt sulfide or oxide in the ore, converting it to soluble cobalt sulfate. Boric acid H3BO3. Add boric acid to the solution to act as a pH buffer and improve the solubility of cobalt ions. B. Leaching reaction. The leaching reaction can be summarized as follows. Text CoS plus 2 text H text SO4 plus text H3 text BO3, right arrow text CoSO4 plus text boric complex plus text H2 plus TES. This reaction involves the oxidation of cobalt sulfide and the formation of cobalt sulfate with hydrogen gas and sulfur as byproducts. Filtration and solution preparation. After leaching, filter the solution to remove undissolved solids. The resulting solution will contain dissolved text CoS4 along with other soluble impurities. 3. Electrowinning process. A. Setup of the electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell configuration. Cathode, mixed carbon-coated silicon carbide and silicon-coated stainless steel. Anode, graphite. Fill the cell with the cobalt sulfate solution obtained from the leaching step. B. Electrowinning reaction. When an electric current is applied, cobalt ions, Co2+, are reduced at the cathode, text 2 plus 2 plus, right arrow, text COS. At the anode, water is oxidized to produce oxygen. 2 text H text O, right arrow text O2 plus 4 text H squared plus 4 text E squared minus. 4. Chemistry of boric acid in the process. Boric acid helps stabilize the pH of the solution and may form complexes with metal ions, thereby enhancing their solubility and facilitating their recovery. Text squared 2 plus, right arrow text coa-boric complex. This complexation can lead to improved cobalt recovery during electrowinning, reducing impurities in the deposited cobalt. 5. Process optimization. Current density. Maintain an optimal current density, typically around 100 to 200 A/m², to enhance cobalt deposition efficiency. Temperature control. Conduct the electrowinning at temperatures between 25 to 50 degrees Celsius to promote efficient ion movement and reaction kinetics. 6. Cobalt recovery and post-processing. After a designated time for electrowinning, remove the cathode, scrape off the deposited cobalt metal, and wash to remove any residual impurities. Additional purification steps, such as acid washing, may be employed to ensure high purity of the recovered cobalt. Waste management. Neutralize any waste solutions containing residual sulfuric acid and boric acid before disposal to meet environmental regulations. Summary of reactions involved. 1. Leaching, text CoS plus 2 XO4 plus text H3 text BO3, right arrow text COSO4 text boric complex, text H2 plus S. 2. Electrowinning, cathodic text 2 plus 2 text E squared, right arrow text CoS, to XO, right arrow text O2 plus 4 text squared plus 4 text E squares. Conclusion. This process leverages sulfuric acid and boric acid to optimize the leaching and electrowinning of cobalt, utilizing advanced electrode materials to enhance recovery rates and deposit quality. References for further reading. 1. Cobalt, Overview of the Hydrometallurgical Processes, available in metallurgy journals. 2. Electrowinning of metals, provides insights into electrochemical processes. 3. The role of boron compounds in the hydrometallurgy of cobalt, discusses the effects of boric acid in leaching processes. This detailed process provides a comprehensive approach to cobalt extraction using the specified materials and conditions.
This is all about the electrowinning of cobalt from cobalt sulfate via electrowinnings. This is whole complete procedures of extraction of cobalt from cobalt sulfate electrowinning. So I hope all of you will understand this. Inshallah. Khuda Hafiz.